So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to change a Frigidaire ice maker water filter, locate, replace and reset. So step 1 is turn off the ice maker. Press and hold the ice maker button on the control panel. Wait until the display read ice maker off. This action prevents the refrigerator from drowning water. It also stops cycling during ice maker replacement. Second is locate and remove the old filter. Locate the filter in the upper right corner of the fridge or behind the bottom base grill. Push the filter straight inward until you hear a click. Release pressure to allow the filter to pop up forward. Pull the filter straight out. Third step is insert the new filter. Remove all protective cap, seal and packaging from the new filter before installation. Ensure the correct filter model is being used for your refrigerator. Insert the new filter into the designated slot. Push the filter in until it clicks into place or twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Fourth step is flush the system. Run the water dispenser for approximately 3 minutes. Aim for 1.5 to 2 gallons of water to pass through. This process flushes out trapped air and loose carbon. Cloudy water or sputtering at the start is normal. Fifth step is turn on the ice maker. Turn the ice maker back on. Discard the first batch or two of ice produced. This ensures removal of any residual impurities from the new filter. Sixth step is reset the filter indicator. Press and hold the water filter or reset button on the control panel. Hold for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. Wait for the status light to change or a chime to sound. Thanks for watching.